After a controversial decision last month, where a Montreal tenant was court-ordered to pay 6 years of back tax for his non-resident landlord's unpaid withholding tax, the federal government has finally said it's not going to be pursuing tenants for this. In a statement on X, the Minister of National Revenue, Claude Bibeau, said the CRA does not intend to collect any portion of non-resident landlord unpaid taxes from any individual tenants. It is incorrect to state otherwise. But that's exactly what happened to David, a Montreal tenant that was just ordered to pay 6 years of his non-resident landlord's unpaid withholding taxes. Way back in 2018, he was audited and ordered to pay the taxes, and just in 2023, he lost in court when he tried to appeal. This case was highly publicized and completely contradicts what the minister is saying now. In a statement on Friday, the minister responded to this publicly and said, "This law has existed for nearly a century, and there is not a single instance of an assessment made to an individual tenant in the last decade." She stated further, adding the CRA does not expect individual tenants to withhold 25% of the rent from their landlords. Experts such as the lawyer in this article state that while this is reassuring to hear, we'd actually need a change to the Income Tax Act to expressly make sure that the government couldn't go after anybody like it did the tenant in Montreal again. So what do you think? Is the minister's word good enough? Given that they just went after this poor tenant for 6 years, effectively ordering them to pay $43,000 of his landlord's back tax? Or do you think that we need the Tax Act change right away and should be skeptical of anything the CRA says? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, if you found value in this video, please give it a like and a share, and please follow for more great content.